In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer free shipping on Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, offering free shipping can really boost your sales and improve your customer satisfaction. So let's dive right into the process of setting this up on Printify. First things first, let's log into your Printify account. If you don't have one yet, it's super easy to register. Just head over to their website and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which is your command center for managing your products and orders. Next, look for the Manage My Stores section on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'd set up your shipping options. If you've already connected your online store, you'll see it listed here. If you haven't, take a moment to connect it now. It's usually as simple as following a few prompts. Once you've got your store linked up, it's time to explore the shipping settings. Click on your store and navigate to the Shipping tab. Here, you will be able to customize your shipping options for your customers, including setting up free shipping. Now, before we get into the specifics of how to set it up, let's talk about why you might want to offer free shipping. A lot of customers today expect it. In fact, studies show that customers are often more likely to complete a purchase if they see free shipping as an option. It removes that cost hurdle and can significantly reduce cart abandonments. Okay, back to the how. In the shipping section, you'll see different regions and the shipping rates associated with them. This is where you can set up your free shipping rules. Depending on your marketing strategy, you might want to offer free shipping on all orders, or perhaps set a minimum purchase amount in order to qualify for free shipping. If you're going with the all orders free shipping option, look for a button that allows you to add a new shipping rate. You'll typically have to fill in some fields here. Under the rate title, you can type in something catchy like free shipping to make it stand out. In the price field, enter 0. Since you want to offer it completely free, you don't want to mislead your customers. Confirm that this rate is available for all regions you are shipping to, or select specific regions if you have preferences. Don't forget to save your changes once you've entered all the necessary details. Now, if you prefer the minimum order route, let's say you want to encourage larger purchases, you can set a threshold. For instance, if you decide that customers need to spend at least $50 to qualify for free shipping, enter that amount in the minimum price field. Make sure to communicate this value on your store to motivate customers to add more items to their cart. Another useful tip is to promote your free shipping offer. Update your store's homepage and product pages to reflect that you are offering free shipping. This can be a game changer. You could add a banner or an announcement at the top of your website. Once you've set everything up, do a test run. Place an order as if you're a customer. Check for that free shipping option during checkout. This step helps ensure everything is working seamlessly and that your customers will enjoy a smooth shopping experience. And there you have it. Offering free shipping on Printify is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your shop's appeal. Remember, it's not just about the shipping. It's about giving your customers a reason to choose your products over others. So if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, you won't want to miss our future tips on how to run an amazing online store. Happy selling! And I can't wait to see you succeed with your Printify store.